Welcome back to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to safely delete uploaded files in ASP.NET Web Forms. Whether you want to give users control or automatically clean up old files, this tutorial covers it all. There are three main options for deleting uploaded files. Users can manually delete their own files. Admins can have the power to manage any file, or the system can delete files automatically after a certain period. Add a delete button in your grid view. Use command name as delete file and pass the file's full server path using command argument. We will use this in the next step. In the grid view 1 raw command event, check if the command is delete file. Then confirm the file exists and call file.delete of path to remove it from the server. To prevent accidental deletion, add a confirmation dialog using the onClient-click attribute. It shows a browser prompt before the delete action executes. If you store file metadata in database, remember to delete the corresponding row when the file is removed from the server. Syncing server files and database records is essential. Make sure users don't delete files that are being accessed by others or are part of important workflows. You can check a download log or mark some files as protected from deletion. Restrict deletion access based on roles. Users should only delete their own files, while admins can manage all. Use session variables or user.identity.name to check ownership. Sometimes users try to delete a file that no longer exists. Always check with the file.exist to avoid exceptions and display a friendly error message. To delete files older than 30 days, loop through the uploads folder and compare each file's creation time. You can run this logic on page load, in a scheduled job, or with a button click. Another way is to write a small console app or PowerShell script that deletes old files. Use Windows Task Scheduler to run it daily. Keep a log file for transparency and auditing. Always log when a file is deleted, by whom, when, and what file. This protects against accidental or malicious deletions and ensures accountability in your system. After deletion, don't forget to rebind the grid view or file list to reflect the changes immediately. Otherwise, Deleted files will still appear in the list until refresh. Wrap deletion code in try-catch blocks to gracefully handle issues like permission errors or file logs. Log the exception and show the user a meaningful message. To avoid exposing your uploads folder to the public, use web.config to deny anonymous access and optionally hide directory browsing completely. You may want to move files to an archive folder instead of deleting them permanently. This adds a layer of safety and gives users a chance to recover accidentally deleted files. Use clear messages after delete actions to inform users whether the operation succeeded or failed. Visual alerts help users trust your app. To recap, we covered manual and automatic file deletion, confirmations, role-based access, and error handling. Logging and securing deletion process are critical in real-world applications. In our next video, we will take things further and show how to display uploaded images right inside your web forms page with thumbnails and preview functionality. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more step-by-step tutorials on real-world web development. See you next time.